In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Affirm. If you have an Affirm Money account, you can move your cash to your bank right from the Affirm app or at affirm.com. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Affirm app on your phone or visit affirm.com on your computer. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, keep your device handy so you can complete any security checks quickly. Once you're in, head to the Money section. This is where your cash balance and recent activity live. Look for the Withdraw option and select it. You'll be asked to enter the amount you want to move. Take a moment to confirm the number is correct, especially if you're moving most of your balance or planning other transfers the same day. Enter the amount and continue. Next, choose the bank account you want to transfer the money to. If you already have a bank linked, you can select it from the list. If not, or if you want to use a different one, you'll have the option to link a new account. Follow the prompts to add it. Depending on your bank and the method you choose, you may be asked to verify that account before you can continue. After you've selected the destination account, tap or click Continue. You'll see a summary page with your transfer details. This is your chance to review everything one last time: amount, destination, and any notes about timing. When it looks right, confirm the transfer by selecting Submit or Confirm. Once a withdrawal is initiated, it typically takes 1 to 5 business days for funds to arrive in your bank. Processing times can vary based on your bank, weekends, and holidays. So if you're on a deadline, plan ahead. You can keep an eye on the status from your Money section where pending and completed transfers will appear. If you run into a limit when entering your amount, that's normal. There may be daily or per transaction limits. For the latest details on limits and eligibility, check the Help Center from the app or website. And if anything doesn't look right or you need assistance with a withdrawal, use the Contact Us option within the app or on affirm.com to reach support. They can help investigate delays, verify account details, or answer questions about your transfer. That's it. Simple, secure, and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy withdrawing.